called Velcro belts.
Yeah.
Velcro belts. Hey!
Go Ace.
You're so good.
Yeah.
I'm gonna sing with you.
Okay. Not nervous at all. Let's go.
You're so silly. Too late now. You gotta play.
I'm sorry. I'm nervous. Okay.
Take 5.
Sometimes I don't know how. Can I move this down a bit? Okay, I just did it. Sometimes I don't know.
Yeah.
Sometimes I don't know how to be a person without causing myself suffering. Sometimes I don't know how to be a person without attaching itself to me. But I attach it to myself like a little Velcro belt. I'm a kid inside a cell, but you pretend to know me well. She still thinks she's not enough. The only way out is through, but nothing hurts when I'm in love. So I'll attach myself to you, and I'll wait in the void for you to find me, and I'll act surprised when I'm still empty. I'll continue to wait like a pet on your porch in the rain, and I'll wait with my dad in the car on Sundays, and I'll wait, and I'll stay, and I'll wait, and I'll stay, I'll wait, and I'll stay. You go away. But I attach it to myself like a little Velcro belt. I know I cause my own hell. I don't ask for any help.
I'd rather... You got it.
I'd rather suffer by myself. That's what I was taught to do. But nothing hurts when I'm in love. So I'll attach myself to you. But what do I do when I'm growing? What do I do when I'm changing? What do I do when I'm healing? It's not for you. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do when I'm not for you? I'm not for you. I'm not for you. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do when I'm not for you? I'm not for you. I'm not for you. That failed. I'm so sorry.
No, it was
I
beautiful.
apologize. You did a great job.
Okay, I didn't remember.
I ripped the skin off my finger.